Hey there! Are you ready to dive into the fast-paced world of manufacturing? At Goodwin University, we've got a range of programs designed to help launch your career in this exciting field. Let's take a quick look at what each program has to offer and where they can take you. First up is welding. If you're ready to really roll your sleeves up, our welding certificate program will be a great fit. We'll train you in essential welding techniques, setting you up for a hands-on career as a welder, welding inspector, or fabrication specialist. If welding doesn't spark your interest, consider CNC machining. When you earn your certificate or associate degree in CNC machining, you learn to create and cut precision parts for products. As for potential careers, think CNC machinist, programmer, or even shop supervisor. Are you looking to gain a broader set of skills focused on the future of manufacturing? Our Manufacturing Engineering Technology Associate Degree program is all about the essentials of materials, manufacturing processes, and systems of today and tomorrow. You can even personalize your degree with a concentration in mechatronics, computer-aided design, or robotics and automation. This can open doors to careers in manufacturing engineering, process engineering, or quality control engineering. Now let's look at quality management systems. This associate degree program teaches you to develop and manage quality systems and ensure products meet industry standards. With this degree, you can earn a career as a quality assurance manager, auditor, or compliance officer. Are you aiming to achieve a leadership and management position in the field? Our manufacturing management program might be right for you. This bachelor's degree program will teach you the ins and outs of leading a team to keep operations safe and efficient. Graduates often become production managers, operations managers, or plant supervisors. So, whether you're interested in getting hands-on experience as a CNC machinist, exploring the high-tech world of robotics, letting sparks fly as a welder, or advancing to a leadership role in the field, Goodwin University has a program that's right for you. Ready to start building your future? Join us at Goodwin University and let's create something amazing together. Visit goodwin.edu/manufacturing to learn more and apply today.